close-up of the Ricco. Well, here we are with the Ricco, which are two new trainers from Mod Shoes. It's our third trainer after the Fresco and Luca. You may notice an Italian twang in the name. This one's called the Ricco, which in Italy means rich. We think it's great. Let's go to the close-up and you'll see some of the details. As you can see here, I've got the white with the red and blue stripe one. Notice, unlike the Luca and the Fresco, it's got a padded bit here. And Lee, who works for us, and myself have been wearing these for the last week or so to give them a nice run in, and they are super soft. I think the rest of that afternoon it was comfortable to wear. You know, you knew you got it on and it was good. There you go, some of the details. It's very similar to the Luca and the Fresco. In fact, it's made on the same last, so if you fit them, you'll fit this. The subtle difference here is this has got a big stripe going down the middle and the two stripes on the side. It's based on an old pair of bowling shoes that I had, and I'm very pleased with it. Here is some laces that go with it. So if you wanted the two colours, let me just hold that to the screen. You can alter the laces. If you don't want white, it comes with blue as well. Let me show you the blue ones. Navy blue, white stripe, very similar. Lee, who works here, has been wearing these ones, and he loves them. He thinks they're super comfortable. So that's the Ricco. They're in two colours and they're £85.